Riley, tell me what your superhero does.
My superhero makes sure the apples are safe and bugs are not on the apples.
Okay.
And my rainbow is about a rainbow so everybody can see it.
Okay.
Take pictures of it. And then I picked 2 hearts. One is for my teachers that I love, and one for my classmates that I really, really love in my heart.
Oh, Riley, thank you for sharing. What a beautiful picture.
Thank you.
So Riley, she drew a hero that was protected in the rainbows and the hearts and the apple tree. Right, Ross? Is that right? Yeah. Okay. And then we turned it into this plushie character. And you know, balance the light. Okay. All right, call your animals out when you see them. Okay, guys? Turtle snake.
I can't!
Oh, good job, my kid. Yeah, man. I think that might be the last one. Is that the last one? No, I think it's the last. So, land and see. That's good, man. Hey, give yourselves a round of applause. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Good job, guys.